Hi everyone, my name is Rohit. So I will be again continuing with some basic concepts of demand, and I hope last day whatever I have taught you guys some related to demands, you have went through that. We'll be proceeding today, and so as discussed, so we'll be continuing with the concepts of demand and other things. So basically now we will start today with demand schedule. So, guys, what do you understand by demand schedule? Any idea? No. Fine, no issues. I will help you with this. So, demand schedule is nothing but it's a chart. Okay, we'll be using some cardinal numbers, so which we can portray different commodities which have their demand at certain prices. So demand of a product is always related to price, as I say. So what is demand schedule? Demand schedule is, it's a chart where different prices of a product, of a particular product, will be having certain demands with respect to the price of the product. So once the product's price increases or decreases, the demand of the product will increase. I mean the quantity consumed or the services taken out of product or the services will be varying. So now let us take an example of tea. Okay. So if the price of tea increases, so the demand will go down, and if the price of tea goes down, the quantity increases. So I will be showing you with certain number of quantities, including with the individual. Today basically we will first start with the individual concept, the concept of a particular individual, not a market concept, not a market statement. Okay. So now let us take an example of this product as tea and the demand of the product. So I am making a table over here, demand, which is an individual's demand. So now let me make some numbers. So first let me take as the price of the product is 50 INR. Okay. Now if the price, I'll show how the product's price will decrease now. Okay. So from 50 it goes down to 45, then followed by 40, then followed by 35, then followed by 20. Now it's a quantity, okay, no quantity based concept. So now let me take as in price of the price of tea is 50 rupees, what will be the individual demand? Let us take an example of 1 kg. Now what do you think guys? If the price of the tea is 1 kg, now if its price of the tea goes down to 45, what do you think? The quantity demand will be same? Will it go down or it will increase?
It will go down. It will go up, sorry.
It will go up. So let me show you. For example, let me take an assumption. The 50 is the price, the quantity demanded is 1 kg. And if the price decreases to 45, which means a gap of rupees 5 is being created. Okay? The price of the product decreases by 5 rupees. The quantity will be now 2 kg demanded. Okay? As soon as it again decreases to 40, the demand, let's take an example, it will go back to 4 kg. If it is going down to 35, it will be 6 kgs. And if once it again goes down to 30, it will be 9 kgs. Okay, so the demand is increasing. Okay, As you can see that the demand is increasing while the price of the tea is going down. So what do you think? Price and quantity funded is proportionally how it's proportional? Directly proportional or inversely proportional?
Directly proportional. Inversely proportional.
Yes, it's always an inverse effect or inversely proportional. So this is what we call the demand schedule. This we are showing as per an individual. Okay. Now I'll show you. I showed in terms of quantity. Now what will happen? For example, let us take an example. Let us make an assumption that 1 kg price is 2000. So others and people over there, just look what will be the price. So we have to multiply the kg along with the price of the product. So 1 into 2000, the price will be 2 rupees. 2000. Then again multiplied by 2000, it will be rupees 4000. Again multiplied by rupees 2000, it will be rupees 8000. Again multiplied by rupees 2000, it will be rupees 12,000. And again multiply with is 2000, it will be now 18,000. So you can see the effect, like in 50 rupees in the tea price, we were buying only one quantity, which was costing me around somewhere around 2,000. Now, when the price is below level, the most decreasing price 30. It is costing us around 18,000 rupees. This is what we mean by individual demand. Now let us move up. I hope you have understood what I have gone through. Yes. Okay. Great. Now economics is a very big term. Okay. We cannot focus on an individual. The private or goods and services consists of the whole market. We cannot concentrate on individual. We have to see what is actually the market concept. Okay, how the market is being affected once the price of the product increases or decreases. So guys, hope you have a good break. So now let's come back to the schedule which I was talking about. Now what I was trying to say, like everything was supposed to be said in a tabular format. So now we are talking about the individual demand, okay? Now let us consider any product, okay? Any product we are talking about, any X product, okay? Which has a price of 5, which is 5 rupees product, and it is demanded by 3 persons in the market, A, B and C. It could be any term they can have it. And so, like for example, A buys the product and the price is 5 rupees. He buys in 15 units, B buys at 12 units, and C buys 10 units. Now the thing is, as I said already, every person in the market, every individual has a different taste and preferences. So basis of his or her taste and preferences, the quantity demanded will be different for every individual. So A buys at 15, B buys 12 quantity, C buys at 10 quantity. Now, if you add up this and this and this, it will take to 37. So 12 plus 12 plus 15 plus 12 plus 10 results to 37. Now, when the price is increasing from 5, it went to 8 rupees. You see, there is a decrease in the demand of the product as the law of demand says. It comes down to 10. B also changes this demand. B also changes demand to 9, and C also changes its demand to 5. So now if you add up 10 and 19 and 9 and 5, it results to 24. Same, when again the price of the product increases to 17, okay? Now again A again decreases its demand. It decreases its unit to 6 units. B decreases its unit to 4 units, and C decreases its unit to 3 units. Now we can add up 6 plus 4 plus 3 is resulting to 13. So this is what I was talking about, the individual demand. So any persons having their demand of any goods and services with respect to the price of that particular commodity. Okay. Now if we add up all A and B and C who constitutes the market, so A and B and C are playing a vital role in the demand of any product, which results to the market schedule. Now what is the market schedule? Like all the individuals present in the market constituting it are adding up to the market demand, our market schedule. Now, for example, now I'll put a question to you guys. So now let us come back to example 2. Okay. So price of product, let us take any. Now let me take this time as price of the Y commodity. When the price of the product is 15, A is purchasing 24 units. B, I have left for you guys to find out. C is purchasing 44 units, and so thus A and B and C are resulting to the market demand for 104 units. Now you guys tell me how many units was purchased by B when the price was 15. Can anyone answer? Can someone answer? When the product's price was 15, A purchased 24, C purchased 44, and the market demand was 104. So how many units was purchased by B when the price of the product was 15? Can someone answer?
36.
Okay, 36 you say is at 36. Can you tell me how do you find this?
Using a calculator.
So now tell me, Rohit, when the price of the product was 15, A was purchasing 24 quantity or units, C was purchasing 44 and the market demand was 104. How much unit will be purchased to make the market demand 104?
36 it will be.
Okay, absolutely right, Rohit. Very good. You are following the class very nicely. So I want like everybody should be going through like how the things are going. So again I'll reiterate how we managed to take down 136. The market demand, as I said you, it constitutes all the people engaged in the market or the individuals. So the one taking us 104 as the total, 24 plus, let me take as B, plus 44. So taking 104 over here, adding this 24 and 44, 68 plus B. Now 104 minus 68, it resulted to 36. So absolutely fine. 36 was the damn correct answer. Now I'll again ask the second one. Others, kindly answer this one. When the price of the product was 9, okay, and A was purchasing 32 quantity, B again you have to answer for me. C purchased 64 units.
Okay.
Market demand was 144. So how much we added in the market, which resulted to 144 of the market demand.
I think so it's 44.
No, I guess 48.
Okay, let's find out. Thanks for the debatable answers. So let me find out for you guys how which who one is right, which of you of is right. Let me find this. So price was 9, 32 was purchased by A. B again I don't know. 64 is purchased by C, and total is 144. So adding 64 and 32, 96 plus D equal to 144. B 144 minus 96. So the answer is 48. So Ravi, you are done correct again. It's 48 lines of the others. You are not following the class properly. You need to be more careful while seeing it, and you have to work on the calculation. Guys, in economics, basics calculation is very important. So this is what we were talking about. This is how an individual demand schedule works and how a market's demand schedule works. That's all for right now. We'll end up 11 catch up with you.